Begin by getting into a comfortable position, either sitting up or lying down. Slowly close your eyes and let us begin by connecting to your breath. When you're ready, take a nice full breath in through the nose. Hold it at the top and slowly exhale. And again, big breath in, big chest, hold, and slowly release. And again, one last big breath in. Lots of air, full lungs, hold, and slowly release. Very good. Now bring your attention to your eyes, relaxing all the tiny muscles in and around your eyes. Just allowing those muscles to completely let go and release. And as your eyes relax, bring your attention to your mouth, relaxing your jaw and your tongue. And as your eyes and your mouth relaxes, your ears relax. Just watch and observe how all the muscles in and around your face completely let go. Just tension easily melting away. And just notice what you notice now. Notice yourself entering a quiet place within yourself. And with each exhale, you'll continue to get deeper and deeper down, because the deeper you go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper and deeper you go, just feeling so good and relaxed. In this moment, there's nothing for you to do, but just observe a nice warm wave of relaxation that moves and continues to relax your face, your throat, your shoulders relax, your chest, down to your belly, your hips, thighs, knees, shins and calves, all the way down to your toes. Now take another nice easy breath in, breathing up from your feet all the way up. And enjoy the exhale. And just notice now that you're in a much deeper place. Your body's calm. Your mind is clear. You are centered in your whole being. Calm mind, calm body, clear mind, clear body, centered and grounded. And in this enhanced place of calm and clarity, bring your attention to your mind's eye and just see there a volume dial. And this volume dial is just showing you the number of what's within you that's turned up a bit too loud. Just notice what you notice. Notice where the number's at. Now reach out and turn the volume down just a half increment. And take a nice easy breath in and settle into that lower volume. Now reach out again and turn the volume down another half increment. Take an easy breath in, and as you exhale, settle into that quieter place. And if you'd like to, you can bring that volume down even further. Reach out, turn the knob, and bring it down. And as you do, smile. Smile in your heart, smile in your mind. A smile of ease, body and mind, easing into this new place of calm and clarity. And just allow yourself to stay here as long as you wish.